Hello everyone, welcome to Balance by Sav. Today we are going to unlock the secret of setting and achieving goals. Get ready to transform your life. First, discover your why. Before setting goals, discover your why. What drives you? What makes you tick? Your why is the fuel that will keep you going. Second, set smarter goals. Make your goals smarter, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound, energizing, rewarding. Example: I want to learn English becomes I will learn conversation English in 6 months to connect with my heritage. Third, create an action plan. Break down your goal into smaller steps. Create an action plan with deadline. Make it happen. 4. Track and celebrate. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins. Don't be too hard on yourself when you fail. Learn and move forward. 5. Stay motivated. Find your accountability partner. Share your goal with them. Stay motivated with positive self-talk and visualization. Goal setting and achieving is a journey. Stay committed, stay focused, and celebrate your success. You got this. Thanks for watching Balance by Saif.